Hello guys, how many of you like sweet, fluffy cakes? Sorry, that's a wrong question. We all like cakes. Baking is an important step in cake preparation. Actually, baking is more complex than we think. Each ingredient has a specific chemical job. Precisely, baking is a small, controlled chemical reaction. Flour provides structure to the cake. Milk or water provide moisture. Soda or baking powder adds air bubbles, that is carbon dioxide. Butter or oil makes it tender. Now egg, which act as a glue that binds all these things together. Finally, sugar. Is it only for sweetening? No. Actually, sugar is hygroscopic in nature. That means it attracts water and keep it from other ingredients. So, too much of sugar makes the cake crumbles from brittleness. And too little sugar makes the cake hard as a rock. Thank you.